Do you want to learn how to scan documents and create PDFs on your iPhone? Well, you've come to the right video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process step by step. However, please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid any mistakes in this process. Let's get started. Open your Files app, tap on the Browse option located at the top left corner, and then click on the three dots. From the menu that appears, select Scan Documents. Hold your phone closer to the document you want to scan and tap the shutter button to capture the image. After capturing, if you have multiple pages to scan, simply repeat the same procedure for each page until you've scanned all the necessary documents. Arrange the corners of the scanning box as needed. Once you're satisfied, click on Keep Scan. Now, tap on Save. You have the option to rename the file by tapping on it and selecting the desired file name. For instance, I'm going to provide a name and then click on Save. This action will save the scanned documents in PDF format. To locate the scanned PDF, navigate to the Files app, browse to the location where you saved the documents, and open the PDF file. We genuinely hope you found our video helpful. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Should you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.